guys, welcome back to my channel. Dama here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful, fabulous day today. Today's video is going to be on my summer essentials. All the fun goodies I'm going to talk about are things that I have found that I need all summer long, and I have been using them and they've been super fun, so I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it too, or at least I hope you do. If you're new to my channel, well then welcome. If you're back to my channel, thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. I would really appreciate that. And if you are new, before you leave, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's just jump right in. I have a few things to talk about. They are in no order, no particular order, and I have a variety of things. I have makeup, skincare, clothing, accessories. The first thing that pops at me that I wanted to talk to you guys about that I've been loving so far, it's one of my favorite things this summer, the new Huda Beauty Not Your Mama's Pantyhose body glitter. And the main reason why I love it so much is because I'm used to the ones that they sell that are like oil based, and when you rub them on you still kind of feel oily and they stick to things and stuff like that. Well, this one to me is my favorite because it has no transfer, it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily, and once it dries, like your skin looks like you just got like a tan, and it's glistening and shiny and beautiful. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna rub that in. Look how beautiful that looks. You can see, like, I put a little bit on my finger, but look at it versus this hand. It looks like I got a tan. But it doesn't look as nice right now because I didn't put lotion. You have to put lotion prior to in order for it to look nice and clean, or else it just gets in the creases of your skin and then it just looks like gross. But anyways, I think this is a great purchase. I think it costs $49.99 or $59.99. I'm not too sure, but I will link it below and hopefully they still have it. And guys, it's worth it. And it's a huge bottle. It brings 1.85 fluid ounces, so that's not bad. Another thing I would like to talk about is sunscreen. You guys know I love sunscreen, so I got recently this Cora setting spray, but it actually has SPF in it, and I absolutely loved it. I used to use the Super Goop one. I probably need to try out the new bottles, but it was getting stuck in the spritzer, like in the actual cap, whenever you tried to spray it, and it wasn't really spraying correctly. It was just getting full of gunk in there. But I have not had this issue with this, and I got this not too long ago, maybe like a week or two ago, and I've already used a lot of it, as you can see there. I think this is an excellent purchase and it's worth every penny. And I should probably touch some up now before I head out the door. I will say this. If you get it too close to your eyes, it does sting a lot. So be very careful. Do not do it with your eyes open like you're used to with other setting sprays, or I don't know if you do or not, but I tend to do that, because this really stings your eyes. The next thing I was gonna talk about is a BB cream. It's always good to have in the summertime some sort of BB cream. I have two different ones that I like to use. One is by N.Y.M.P.H, and this one has SPF 30, and it kind of has a tint to it. And this one's by Maybelline, and it also has a tint in it to kind of just blend in your same skin tone. Okay, so the next thing is, I think you should always have a colorful palette. This palette, I've had it for forever. It's the Anastasia Aurora palette. I even got it signed by Anastasia Soiree, the founder of Anastasia Beverly Hills herself. So that was actually really exciting. But I love having colorful highlights through the summer, because it's so fun, you know, like when you go to the beach, you can do like, you can play with the colors and do like fun looks with the highlights, because I mean, there's no point in really doing a full glam, but you could always have fun with the highlights and all that good stuff. The very next thing would be this FARSÁLI jelly balm. It is so cool. This is the first time I've ever tested these or tried these out. But it's literally super jelly-like. And then once you put it on and you rub it off, it becomes like powder, which is pretty cool. I don't know how that works, how that consistency is created. And I tend to use it underneath my makeup versus as a highlight on top. I don't know how it's really meant to be used, but that's how I use it. The next and last beauty product I'm going to talk about is this Buxom lip gloss. It is in the shade Moscow Mule. It's actually the lip gloss I'm wearing right now as my lip topper. I love it. It is pretty much like a nude for me, so it goes perfect when I'm trying to go for a brown nudie shade. I got this one at Ulta when Ulta had their 21 days of beauty sale, and I am hooked. I use it like every day, even without anything, like just bare lips. I add a little bit of lip gloss and I'm good to go. I love lip glosses for the summer. It's awesome because like I said, you don't want to do too much. You don't want to have too much going on when you're like going to the beach or have like events at the park or whatever it is. You know, you want to keep it real cash because you ain't trying to sweat off like 10 pounds of makeup. So I always opt for more like softer things. So like throughout the summer, you'll always catch me like trying to add a little bit of color in my inner corners probably, and then I'll put just like a powder, like foundation powder instead of liquid foundation, and then I'll add a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of highlight, and then like mascara and a lip gloss. I just love that look. It's so simple, and yet you kind of did it up a little bit, and that doesn't even take like 5 minutes to do. So now the next essential for sure, you guys already know, sunnies. Sunglasses are very important all summer. Protect your beautiful eyes from the sun. And these are my two favorite right now. So it's these. I don't know the brand or anything like that. Only because I cannot buy designer sunglasses. I lose all my sunglasses. I chip them. I ruin them. They break all the time. So I always get my sunnies from 2-3 different boutiques online, and I'll go ahead and link them below for you. One of my top favorite is Chic Babe Boutique. Her sunnies are so cute, and a lot of them are dupes for high-end designer sunglasses. So be sure to check it out. It's pretty good. And then the other ones would be these blue ones that I like because they're big. They're like oversized, at least for me, because I have a really small shaped head, I guess. So I really like these, and I love the detail. Do you guys see that, like around the corner? And I'm sorry, they're super dirty, but around the corner there, they're just so cute. And blue is my favorite color, so I love them. I like the two different shapes. I play around with them and I have fun. So blue because it's my favorite color, and then I go with a nude because it kind of matches with everything. So the next accessory for me is a fun summer bag. So this is the one I'm currently using. I got this bag from Brendalin and Cora. It's this boutique that I mentioned before. They currently have this bag available on their website, and I like it because it's big. I expected it to be a lot smaller, but it's actually super spacious, and it's square, so it doesn't really lose its shape. And I love it like to go out at night or even during the day. I was excited that it was in black because I think black is the most versatile color you wear with any outfit. So no matter what you are wearing, you could always use the black bag, and it's perfect. So I think they have it for $40 or $50 or something like that, but it's worth it because it's definitely good quality. So on the next thing, while on the top of accessories, this is another super fun summer essential, like little headbands like these. This one's also from Brendalin and Cora, but they don't currently have this headband available, but I know they brought new ones. They have this super cute one that's like wicker material, like the bag. I can't say I've seen headbands like that before, so it's definitely interesting and it's really cute. So there's that one, and I think they have like a pink one also available. But it's exactly the same style, just a different color. And I like this one because I don't do too good with the ones that are actual like headbands. This one doesn't hook in the back. It's literally you just slide it on your head and you're good to go. They're really comfy and good quality, and I just like headbands in the summer because, let's be honest, with the heat that's going on, you don't want to have your hair straight and down all the time. So I always opt to put my hair up in a high bun. And sometimes I want like a cute little accessory to go with it. Like for example, today my outfit is super plain. I'm just wearing a white t-shirt and some black pants. So I wanted something fun. So I figured the headband would be a perfect addition, and it matches my bag. Last of the accessory, I would say a pair of some fun slides. So here are two of my current favorites. I got these from Forever 21. I got them on sale for like $10, and I tend to wear black a lot, so I got these. They're super comfortable. I've been wearing the hell out of them. They are not as hard as these because these are a little harder. I got these on JUSTFAB, and I think I got them last year. Yeah, I got them last year. They're not super comfortable. They're really not. But I like that they have the little heel to them. They're really cute, and they're super fun to wear with anything. Like, if say you wear a plain outfit, you can go ahead and opt to wear these, and it's super cute. I'll see if I can find these still on the website, as well as the black ones. If I do, I'll link them below. So we're almost done here. I only have two more things to go over. So when I decided to do this video, I didn't just start looking around and thinking, oh, what are things I need this summer? I really just went with everything that clicked in my head right away. Everything that came to mind right away, that's the ones I decided to pick as my summer essentials, because they came to me so quickly, are things that I will be opting to use our summer or that I really like. I'm sure there's others essentials, other things also that we should be thinking about, but these are just the ones that came to mind to me. So the next thing is, like I said, we want to have fun. We want to do crazy colors because normally to me and in the summer is where it's acceptable to be wearing super dramatic colorful looks. Like obviously you can wear color all year round, but to me summer is when you can go all out. So the next thing I want to talk about is neon colors. I noticed that neons this year did a comeback, and I honestly wasn't huge on the neon. I wasn't always a fan, but this year I was like, you know what? I like doing colorful looks. Why not just get myself some true colorful clothes? Because majority of my closet's black and blue. Anyway, so I got these two super cute tops at Zara. I still haven't worn this one. As you see, it still has a tag on it. It's a crop top, and the material is so breathable. It's so soft. I love Zara just because their clothing is such good quality too. And this was $9.99. And then this piece I've worn already 3 times and I absolutely love it. This is a bodysuit, and it is not like a thong. It's just a regular bodysuit. It goes pretty low in the back and it's pretty low in the front. And I got this one also at Zara, but this was $20 for the bodysuit. But it was well worth it. It's great material. It's super, super stretchy, and it looks great. I love it. And I think pink neon goes well on any skin tone. That's what I love about it so much. The very last item I wanted to talk to you guys about is a candle. You guys know I'm super obsessed with candles, so of course I had to include one in my video. And for me, the candle of the summer this year is the White Barn Fiji White Sandal candle, and this is by Bath and Body Works. I love this candle. I've been burning it all summer. This is the second one I got, and this one's already almost gone. It's like right here, and it smells delicious. The notes are fresh cuts, sugarcane, white nectarine, and sandalwood. For me, I think anything with sandalwood in it, you got me. That is it. That concludes my summer essentials for 2019. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, please give it a thumbs up. And please let me know in the comment box down below what are some of your favorite summer essentials and what are things that you guys would add to my list that I am missing. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.